this game, and it was like literally a click of a button. You could press X and it would send a message to your whole friends list. One day, I sat for like fucking 10 minutes and spammed my X button and sent out like 300 fucking messages to my entire friends list. This is like in 2013 when your friends list mattered. I had like 100 friends. Everybody like, it was down to like 30 after that.
No.
Alright.
You guys are just trying to help each other. Alright, let's go, boys. Who is this?
Wait, let's team up. Who's this?
Let's go right.
No, everybody's here just to. We're all finding the tapes. We're all trying to
Everybody
help.
turn the lights off.
You don't want to.
It's like a. It's like a rip off of Slender.
Yeah, we'll go 2.
Who is this? I don't even know who the fuck this is. Who the fuck are you?
Yo, who's the girl?
That's definitely Jordan.
Spies?
I'm pretty sure this is me and Raid.
Yo.
No.
Raid, do a quick 360 if it's you.
Oh gosh.
Wait, who is this behind me?
Me, dude.
Wait, hold on.
Get it. Let's go this way.
Who is this in front of me? Do a 360.
Who's the other chick?
Okay, who just did it? Who's doing it right now? Who's looking dead at me?
Wait, what? That's Raid.
I know that's Raid. See, at this point, we're not even looking for the tapes.
I remember. There's a type over here.
That's
Okay.
probably just you.
Who got that?
Boy.
And it's like Slenderman too. Like whenever you get, the more pages you get, or the more tape recorders you get, the more often you see him.
I grinded this game, dude.
Oh, sorry.
Why do we got some chick
got it.
following me, dude? Get away.
Alright.
That's me. Like, I'm
Why am I
trying
getting
to
the
stay with I'm staying with you.
Yeah.
Raid, don't leave me.
Bro, I got you, dude. I got you.
I'm
Keep
staying with
up.
you.
Get in here.
Don't look behind you.
Raid? Okay. Let's see.
Do you see me still?
Oh my god.
That kind of scared me.
Hey, where'd you go?
I'm still in the room.
You still with me?
Raid.
Come back,
Where'd you
dude.
go?
Right here, bro. Right here. Go back to the... Where'd you? Here.
Wait, where'd you go, Jeff?
This man.
That fat ass over here just bought
There's a tape in here somewhere.
Where you at?
in the rocket
I can
room.
smell it.
Okay, I'm in here too.
There you are.
Where you go?
Oh,
I can't hear
I'm
nothing
at...
but my character's
have you guys
breath.
been to the bookshelf yet?
No.
We're here. I hear one. It's right here.
Oh shit.
I remember.
We gotta cross back over.
It's over here.
Yeah, we were already here, dude.
There it is.
Oh shit! Oh my god, dude, they gave me a heart attack. I didn't even see him, he just got a tape and screwed the shit out of me.
There's no way we. There's
We're in
no
the-
way we're not gonna see him right now.
Bro, if this was on Nightmare, we'd already been dead.
Bro, I don't like
He's gonna be right here. How I'm feeling. And we ain't going that way. That looks,
We're not going that way.
I'm creeping corners.
I don't even want to go this way, dude. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Too many corners, dude. There's too many corners out here.
This got online and scared me.
Bro, how have we not seen him yet?
Bro, that's the scary part.
That's when he catches you.
You die. You turn into a ghost. You gotta help everybody.
Definitely typing here, I remember. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he scared me.
my
He scared
God,
me.
that scared
There.
the shit out of me.
Oh my.
Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me.
I about jumped out of my chair, bro.
What is this?
I hear one.
Oh, it's right here.
We going down there?
Yeah, let's go. Let's
Dude,
go.
give a nigga a warning. Dude, oh my god.
I'm so scared now. It's gonna get me 100%.
This way.
Which way? Alright.
Straight.
Yeah. Ooh. You see my right?
Your freaking mic is on. Right?
Is it on?
Yeah.
I'm about.
Oh my god.
Please let me type. Please, it's right there, dude. It's right there.
I was a dick.
Oh my god.
I've never been here.
There's definitely gonna be.
Yeah, oh my god. We've not been here. I hear tape. There it is.
There's a dick in
There's
here.
a bunch of. There's like 2 or 3 dead. 3 or 4 dead bodies.
One more, guys. One more.
We ain't been to the train yet.
I'm done for it.
Blast
I
tapes in
can't.
here. He about got me. He about got me. He about got me. Run,
Bro,
run,
there's
run.
nothing I can do.
Yo, he's on me, dude.
Oh, no, he's on me. I'm done for.
No, he's on me too.
No, I just heard. Yeah, no, I just heard Raid scream.
I'm literally done for.
Ooh, rah, 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 rah. When did he go in there? I think we've been in there, but not looking at him. He gonna grab me though. Shoot you. He got me. 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 Oh my. I hear a girl whispering. That's scary.
I found it.
Did you? Hey, first attempt, boys. Not too bad. It usually takes longer than that.
Damn, look at this spot. Damn.
What?
Oh, Raid putting in work. Jordan, what the fuck were you doing?
Following Josh the whole time.
Oh my
That's
god.
exactly what he was doing.
But how did? Oh,
I had 3 screams.
he wasn't fucking walking anywhere.
Dude, watch
Let's see
this.
where he's walking, bro.
I had 0 screams. No one to pussy.
Watch me and Despise up at the top.
Look at look.
Watch us. We took
Yeah, you
circles.
know what we need to do? We need to find an open map and just draw the phase logo.
Oh my god.
Look at it. You guys went in the circle. Me and fucking Raid went everywhere.
Yeah, I don't think we went in a circle at all. That's where we met up, then we just started cruising together.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, then we
you guys
ended
went
up
back
going
on the...
to, where are the cells at?
Probably that big area down there at the bottom.
Yeah. Or it's like right in the middle.
Yeah.
That's why I just gave up. I wasn't even looking for him.
I died up there, man.
Just chilling.
Look at Josh, he did. Freaking
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Thought so.